don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.
In this video, we are going to learn how we are going to move on with email marketing. The first important step for email marketing is we need a website where we are going to actually work on email marketing. So I'll tell you a site where you can work on email marketing, that is mailchimp.com. See, go on Google and just browse out mailchimp.com. Then this will be the page that will appear in front of you. Now we are going to sign up for free. Because now we'll not take any paid package, we'll just sign up for free for now. After that, signing up for free, you have to put your email ID, your username, your password, and then you have to just sign up. So first we'll put the email ID, username, password, and then we are going to just sign up in. Okay, once you have entered your email ID, your username and your password, then you have to open your email ID. You have to log in into your email account. Then you have to verify that account and then you will get this page. And now for now we are going to select this one, that is the free one. Now you will see this page. Now you have to enter the first name over here, the last name over here, and then you have to put continue. So you can put your first name, last name, and then click on continue. Okay guys, once now you have put your first name and the last name and putting continue, now we are done. Now after clicking on continue, we will see this page. Now what's the name of your brand? You have to put it, your name of your brand. Maybe I'll put Tasty Tongue. For example, Tasty Tongue. Okay. After that, we are going to put. Now, what option do you have? Do you have a website? Yes. For now, we'll click on no. Do you have a website? Yes, then we have to put the website name, but we'll click on no for now. Okay, then continue. After clicking on continue, they are asking you the address, like address line 1, address line 2, then city, then what is this, all these questions. So you have to fill this first. So let us just fill this first. Okay. After clicking on continue, you will see this page. Now, what is the question? Do you have any contacts? For now, I'll put no. Okay. Then I'll click on continue. Now, what do you offer or plan to offer? Physical goods, original content, technology or software services, other? We can just skip this also. Okay, so I have clicked on skip. Let's see, what does this ask? You are ready to go. What to stay in loop with MailChimp? Subscribe to Success Stories, subscribe to MailChimp Presents. It's all optional, guys. I don't want to do all these things. I'll just click on let's go. After clicking on let's go, your page is already ready. Okay. So your page is already ready. Now in this video, what I have showed you, how to put these all things, how to enter, how to create your account in this website, that is MailChimp. First Google out MailChimp, then put your email ID, your username and a password. Then you will receive an email. Go onto your email, then just activate it. Then they'll ask you are not a robot. So click on it, verify it. Then you'll get a verification code. Put it there. Then they'll just ask you first name, last name, and do you want any plan, do you have a website. So whatsoever you have done, just put yes or no and put the information accordingly. In this way, your account has been created. Just no need to worry. So it is done. So in this video, we have done with creating an account in MailChimp.com.